No money? You need to do this. I'm talking about instant money. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. So we're talking about money today. And I know a number of people are concerned, especially during these trying times, about money. But listen, what you believe is what you will achieve. And so money, even during these difficult times, is still very, very easy to make. So high flyers, I'm still focused on my 10-day in-depth study of Dr. Wayne Dyer. And I've been studying him since the 70s and have read everything he's ever written. Well, pretty much everything. And almost everything he's ever recorded. And so that's why we're wearing the Dr. Wayne Dyer cap as we're studying his writings. I'm sure it will influence my recordings, but today we're talking about money. And you know, what happens is most people focus on lack. So when they think of money, they think of what they need. I need to pay the rent. I need to make a house payment. I need to come up with a down payment. They think about what they don't have rather than what they do have or potentially can have. And you know my belief on that. You are the universe. You are the one. So all the wealth and all the abundance that you desire is already present within you. But most people, again, they focus on their empty wallet, their empty bank account, their fears, and their worries. When you focus on what you lack, you tend to attract more lack into your life. So if you're low on cash, if your stack is getting low right now, we don't want to focus on how low can you go. We want to focus on the potential to attract more and attract it quickly. And you have that unlimited potential. So high flyers, one of the things I noticed is that rich people that are extremely wealthy, their children tend to become wealthy too. And some of it has to do with inheritance, but a lot of it has to do with the way they're programmed. The children are programmed to have a prosperity, wealth consciousness. They think in terms of leveraging their wealth, leveraging their money, whereas poor people think in terms of spending their money. Spending it as quickly, getting rid of it. It's almost like poor people don't like money, so they feel like they have to spend it as quickly as they possibly can. Again, it's a prosperity mindset that rich children have, and they become rich adults, and they pass it on to their children. And so the old saying, the rich get richer, is true. They do get richer because they believe that they're about to get richer, that money is too damn easy to make. Oh yeah. So one of the things that rich people oftentimes have is when you walk into their office, you'll see at least one object, usually, that's worth a lot of money. I knew a guy who had his office. He was a multimillionaire, and his office was in a warehouse. Okay, he was wow, there's a beautiful hawk flying overhead. See that hawk there? Or is that a falcon? Red-tailed hawk. Oh my gosh. And it's playing with a little bird. I'm sorry for interrupting this, folks. But anyway, so you'd walk into this guy's office and it was absolutely astonishing. He had this just normal office in the back of a warehouse, but he had a baseball that was signed by a famous baseball player, and it was worth thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Other people have the same, or they have symbols of wealth in their office. So when they walk into their office, it's a subliminal reminder that they are wealthy and that more wealth is coming their way. I want to share with you some fast, easy, subliminal reminders that will absolutely work for you and help you attract wealth and money into your life instantly. I mean, fast. This works fast. When I was, pretty much homeless, I used these techniques, one of them in particular, and it absolutely pulled me out of the hole, put some money in my pocket, and it continues to do so to this very day. So high flyers, money is very, very easy to make, and you can make it fast. You can make it quickly. No matter what your condition, no matter what country you live in, no matter where you're at, money is easy to come by. This is my wallet. It's not my favorite wallet. I've got about 3 wallets, but I use this wallet because it's supposedly they can't get your credit card numbers and all of that. So most of the time in my wallet, I use this little gratitude note. And this is the second one. The first one just literally deteriorated in my wallet. Every time I open my wallet for 30 seconds, for 10 seconds, I say a brief word of gratitude for the wealth and abundance that flows into my life. Now, if you are disciplined enough, you can put a $100 bill in your wallet. I recommend you go to the bank and get a brand new one. Get one that is warm, fresh off the press. Now, if you have the discipline, you're always going to keep that $100 bill in front of all your other money, because every time you look into your wallet, you're going to see that $100 bill. If you don't have a $100 bill, then use the gratitude, okay? That absolutely works. We use the check thing too. Then we have it on our website, the check from the universe. But I like the gratitude better. It really, really works. It just gets you in the habit of doing that. Now, the other thing is I went and got a little gold book, and this one has deteriorated since the time I got it. But when I was living in a hotel, I would read through that gold book all day long. Every time I got on the bus, I was reading the gold book, and it had beliefs about money. Beliefs that I knew would change my life quickly. And the number one belief that it had was money is too damn easy to make. It really is. There's money all over the place. And if you're not getting your share, you should be. There's nothing stopping you from getting your share. Now, I would carry that book and read those little money affirmations that I wrote in there, and I would read it on the bus, I'd read it at home, I'd read it during dinner. I read it so much that those affirmations are literally burnt into my subconscious mind. The other thing that I really like is getting a small card. You can get a 3x5 card or 5x7 card, but I use this. Money is too easy to make. And I laminate it. And I have it on my pegboard, and I use it all the time. And then finally, I have another set of money affirmations on my wall in my shower. They're laminated, so it doesn't get wet, doesn't get soggy looking. And every day that when I do my shower, I am doing my affirmations. And it's funny because I had a dollar amount that I didn't think I was ever going to reach in this lifetime. And now I reach it way past that every single week. And I've increased the dollar amount. And it's amazing. I simply say to myself, I earn or attract this amount of money every single week. Now, out of everything, if you took away all of my techniques and affirmations, Don't take away my shower affirmations. I'm telling you, when you're doing your shower, it seems to be one of the best times of the day to do your money affirmations. And then next, look for ways to leverage your money. Look at, if you have a little bit of money and you can leverage it, you can make a lot more money. You don't need to look for ways to spend money. Okay, be a minimalist for a while anyway, and then look for ways to leverage your money. So I like to spend money too, but when I do, I try to spend it on things that I can use in my business, like new Canon cameras. I love buying cameras. Rachel's going, what? Another lens? We don't even know what the last lens works or how it works, right, Rachel?
Yeah.
Okay. So, but I know that I'm eventually going to use it, that I can leverage it, and that it helps me be more effective at what I do. Finally, Miracle Hypnosis Online. I can't emphasize it enough. I'm getting letters literally every day from people who are saying, Robert, this is changing my life more than anything I've ever done. Miracle Hypnosis Online. It helps you build neuroplasticity. It helps you build new beliefs. And new beliefs gives you new thoughts. And new thoughts give you new emotions and feelings. And it helps you attract what you deeply desire. Hey, it's 7 days, absolutely free. Miracle Hypnosis Online. Finally, all of this is great. It all works. But take some inspired action. Get excited about a new way to generate extra cash into your life, whatever it is. Whatever it is. If you need some education or knowledge, get it. But start taking inspired action, to be in the spirit. In other words, this isn't just something to make money. This is something that you really love and enjoy doing. Oh, it's a beautiful day out here, and I don't know, that hawk just took off, but it was right overhead as you and I were talking. So I don't know what that means. I think it's a good sign. I think it's a wonderful sign. You have there's nothing by accident in the world. You're here for a reason. So be sure and subscribe. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.